NotebookLM just dropped a mobile app, and I thought it would finally be the perfect classroom tool. But there's one missing feature that really caught me off guard. If you're a teacher, student, or content creator trying to make sense of your research, Google might have just saved your brain. NotebookLM is now live on iPhone and Android, and it's not just portable, it's got some wild features, but also some frustrating limitations. In this video, I'll break it all down: what works, what fails, how I actually use this in my university classes, and the unexpected feature that's coming soon. NotebookLM is Google's personalized AI assistant. You upload your sources, PDFs, YouTube videos, articles, and it builds a smart assistant around those files. On mobile, you can now sync and view all your notebooks, add new sources right from your phone's Start Share menu, and listen to AI-generated audio overviews on the go. This fixed two huge problems I had. I couldn't easily add sources from mobile, and downloading the AI podcast version of my notes was a pain in the butt. Audio overviews are like having two AIs read your notes and debate what matters. Now with the mobile, you can download the podcast and listen offline, so you can multitask while it plays in the background. And my favorite feature, you can tap join to ask a follow-up question midstream. Here's where the mobile app let me down, especially as a teacher. No markdown or audio uploads, no mind maps, no source discovery, which is by far one of my favorite new features in NotebookLM. You can't share notebooks, and you can't save chat responses to notes. The one that hit the hardest, no support for uploading audio files. I was really excited about using NotebookLM in class, especially to let my students submit their speaking assignments directly from their phones. Without that, it's hard to make it a truly daily classroom tool. The rest of the missing features, like markdown uploads, mind maps, source discovery, sharing notebooks, and saving chats to notes, are some of the best parts of the web version, and you feel their absence on mobile. So here's how I work around it. I thought the app would limit me, but once I split my workflow, it actually sped things up. Before this update, my daily AI workflow usually involved chatting with ChatGPT Advanced Voice or Perplexity Voice between classes or during breaks. I'd bounce ideas for new class activities or student assignments. It was fast, conversational, and mobile friendly. This week, for example, I've been looking for TED Talks to use with my more advanced English classes. I used Perplexity Voice to help me identify a few strong candidates and asked ChatGPT to brainstorm pre- and post-listening activities. Once I had what I needed, I could easily copy the transcripts from those AI chats into the NotebookLM mobile app, or just paste the YouTube video link directly. Then the rest of my system kicks in. Open the NotebookLM notebook with the TED Talk video and activity ideas. On desktop, I refine the notebook, add mind maps, build structure, or bring in extra sources. I generate an audio overview, add custom instructions based on the specific goals we're working on in class, then download it and listen to it while walking or commuting. Sadly, adding custom instructions to the audio overviews is not available on the mobile app at the moment. So I will stick to making the audio overviews in the web app. Now, sometimes I'll build a sample student assignment entirely on mobile, then clean it up later on desktop. It's not perfect, but it's flexible. It's a flexible, evolving system that's starting to work with the real rhythm of teaching, grading, and planning, even if I still have to bounce ideas between mobile and desktop to get the most of it. But here's the feature that caught me off guard and that I'm looking forward to. Google just announced Video Overviews, a new tool that turns your raw notes into visual explainers. PDFs, slides, articles turned into short videos by AI. Think Khan Academy meets AI, and I'll be testing it the moment it drops. NotebookLM isn't perfect, but is evolving into a full-on AI research studio. And for busy educators like us, that's a game changer. Tell me in the comments, what feature would actually help you get more done? And if you want to see how I learned with Perplexity Voice, that video is coming next.